Hello, chemistry students. We're at week 6. We are more than halfway done for the quarter before we end for the year. So this video is going to go over a couple of things. One, it's going to go over the assignments like for week 6 in general. 2, I want to go over how you actually turn off notifications. So anytime a teacher puts in an assignment or makes a comment, you don't necessarily have to get every single email so it doesn't seem overwhelming. The third thing I'm going to go over is actually showing you how to access Edpuzzle. So what I did is I created my own login separate from my teacher login so I can show you step by step on how to do this. So let's begin. So remember, when you're on your email, if you want to get to your classrooms, you go over here, click this, and scroll down until you see classrooms. Where are my classrooms? Right here. So Google Classroom, and you click it. Now your screen should look something like this. I am part of 2 different classes, so I'm going to go into the chemistry one. So when you enter, your screen should look something like this, right? I'm as a student right now, so I would go to the classwork. And I would scroll all the way down to week 6, and then you see there's 3 assignments here. I'm also going to include this YouTube video, so that would be like the 4th material section, and materials are always grayed out so you know there's nothing due, it's just information for you. But it will be here listed so you can watch this YouTube video if you need to review anything. So this one, this question right here, all it is you're going to look at this image, you're going to click and look at this image, and it has different periodic trends on here. You have electron affinity, ionization energy, atomic radius, non-metallic character, metallic character, atomic radius. So these are different trends. And what you really need to do is take 2 of these. It doesn't matter which 2. Sometimes it's kind of better to pick the ones that are pointing in the same direction because they're usually related. And all I want you to do is research them really quick. Type in 2 to 3 sentences. What are they? Maybe what do they cause? Answer the questions, and that's it. You should be done with that. So the next thing I'm going to show you is actually how to do Edpuzzle. So to do Edpuzzle, I have this link right here. You're going to click it. And then it's going to come to this. Now, I'm going to show you how it actually looks from the student side. So what you should be seeing when you click this, since it's an open classroom, you're going to find this. It's going to say chemistry, it's going to say my name, it's going to have a class code, which you really don't need. You're just going to put in your nickname. Join open class. So when you do this, you're going to watch the video, and every single one of these little bumps is actually a different question. Sometimes the video does not let you skip forward. See, it's locked. So you're unable to skip forward. You're actually going to have to watch the video and answer each of the questions when it comes to. As soon as you're done answering all the questions, once you're done answering all the questions, all you're going to want to do is leave the open class. And then I'm going to be able to go in and check your answers. But what is crucial when you're turning it in is to let me know that you're actually done is to either send me a private comment or to mark as done. That way I know that you are done with the assignment. I could go on Edpuzzle and I could check your grade and enter it. And if you have any questions, you need to ask. Now you do have 2 different Edpuzzle videos, and it's going to be the same thing. The one thing I need to also tell you is that if you exit out without finishing the video, it's not going to count it. So I would strongly suggest you watch the entire video through to get the answer. To answer it all, be done with it, put it away. So all you have for this week is 2 Edpuzzle videos to watch and a question to describe, because this is the introduction to periodic trends. Next week we're actually going to start getting into what each one is, what does it do, and what does it mean for chemical reactions. Now, I have a lot of students telling me that they are sick of getting so many different emails from different teachers on each assignment, each mark that they get. on their Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to turn off notification. So what you're going to want to do is go over here and you're going to click this button, scroll down to settings, and in settings, all you're going to do is turn off email notifications. Once you turn that off, you will not be notified at all about anything. Now, if you want to just turn off a couple of things like private comments, comments in your posts, anything else, or due date reminders, anything else, you would go over here to turn it off if you want to do anything specific. But if you want to turn it all off, boom. You have to be responsible for what you guys are in charge of your work. The only thing that teachers can do is to help and support you. And if you think you could check by yourself, that's fine. But otherwise, email notifications are there for a reason. So again, if you have any questions, please email me, do the office hours, have a guardian at home to help you. If you really want to get a really quick response from me, now I will not always be available. I do have 2 kids at home. I like to take them outside. I have chores to do. But I would really recommend going and downloading the Google Hangouts app. And let me show you how it looks. So it's right there, and that's that green one. I'm sure they have it on iPhones, they have it on Androids, on Google phones. If you download this and you click it, it acts just like a text message. It has everybody on there, and I get it really fast and I can immediately respond to you. Again, I hope you guys are all safe. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This week is an introductory week, so next week we're going to actually pick up the pace a little bit. All right, bye.